The Piccolo package includes radio ear DD45 supra-aural headphones, patient response switch, clip-on microphone for talkover, medical grade power supply, a USB connection cable, user manual, the Inventis software suite available on the USB flash drive provided, one carrying case, a B71 bone vibrator is provided with plus and speech models, ER3C insert earphones and Amplivox Audiocups noise excluding enclosures for DD45 are available upon request for all models of the Piccolo. The Piccolo connection points for all accessories are located on the rear panel. If we look at the Piccolo speech model, there is a plug for the power supply on the left, whereas when the USB port is used to connect the device to the computer, the power supply is not needed. When Piccolo is powered using only USB, the maximum values in AC and BC are 10 decibels lower than the nominal value. AC transducers can be plugged in here. Piccolo is compatible with DD45, TDH39 headphones and also with ER3C insert earphones. The microphone for communications from the operator to the patient has its own dedicated plug. Insert the audio jack, 3.5mm mono, into the talk-over socket. The green LED near the symbol indicates that the audiometer is being powered, either from the mains power adapter or via the computer's USB cable. The LED near this symbol indicates the status of communications between the audiometer and the computer. The Piccolo audiometer can be controlled from a computer using Inventis' Maestro software, which is entirely developed by Inventis and compatible with NOAA. To allow the device to be operated from a computer where Maestro is installed, Piccolo must be connected to one of the computer's USB ports using the cable provided. Connecting the Piccolo is plug and play. No special drivers are required for installation. A few seconds after plugging in the device, the operating system will recognize it and install the drivers automatically. We can now have a quick look at the software installation procedure. Double-click on the installer to run the application. You will be asked to install Maestro with or without a proprietary database, or in conjunction with the NOAA module. Confirm all the settings and then press Install. Once the installation has finished, connect Piccolo and start Maestro by double-clicking on the icon. Maestro will recognize the unit immediately. To load your speech material on the computer, click on the Audiology menu, Audio Management Settings, and then Speech Material. From here, open the folder in which you want to save the speech material. If the speech material has been provided with the software, in order to install it, just launch the setup file included on the USB flash drive.